Kia ora tamariki ma, welcome back to Kiwi Kids in the Kitchen. It's time for a birthday cake hack where we show you easy ways to make epic cakes. And today we're making this ani wani wa pull apart cake. I am so excited, let's go. Jelly! I love burgers. It's stressful in here now. Look at that! We made that! Whoa! I love cheese! Cheese? I just love cheese! For our ani wani wa pull apart cake, I used 2 batches of our vanilla buttercream and 3 batches of our fudgy chocolate cupcakes. We'll leave the links to those videos down below. You can also find the full recipes on our website. Now, horoi a orangaringa, go and wash your hands and let's get started. Now the first thing we need to do is map out our rainbow. So I've decided to go for a combination of regular size cupcakes and some mini ones. The big ones I'm going to use to create some clouds, and then the little ones I'm going to use to make the shape of the rainbow. And we're going to map this out so we know exactly that everything's going to fit onto our board. So I think I'm going to need about 4 cupcakes to be my lovely fluffy clouds. 4 over here too. Now you want to try and think about what shape you want your clouds to be, so I've kind of gone flat and fluffy. Then with my little cupcakes, I'm just going to map them round from one side of the cloud to the other. I've got a circle board which is nice and easy to follow the shape, but you could also draw some little lines to help you as well create the shape. But let's start popping these out. I think I'm going to try and get 5 colours in my rainbow, which means I need 5 layers. We'll see if it will fit, but we just keep working our way in, trying to fit the little cupcakes in the spaces. Yep. That was a bit of a tight squeeze, but it looks perfectly laid out. I am so excited to see it come together with all the beautiful colours. And I even have some spare cupcakes, which I'm going to ice at the end and then eat them as a secret snack. Ha ha ha. Now, these have stayed down pretty well, but we don't want them sliding all over the place, especially if you had to move this to another place. So what you can do, just to stick them down, is take a little bit of your buttercream and just pop just a little bit on the bottom of each cake. You might not do all of them, you might just do the ones around the edge, but this just helps them stay in place, especially while you're moving or icing them, so they don't roll all over the place. Now it's time to colour some icing. I'm going to very carefully move this to the side. Ooh. Then we need to create some colours. So I'm going to go for red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So we need 5 different colours, which means I need 5 little bowls. Now I'm going to separate some of my icing into my 5 bowls, but I've got to think about how much icing I need. So my fedor red on the outside, I'm going to need lots more icing than only my little tiny blue kikorangi in the middle. So I'm going to go for quite a lot of red and then work my way a little bit smaller in each of the bowls, but make sure you don't use all of it because we need some of our nice white icing to make our fluffy clouds at the end. So let's just take, I reckon we're going to need a nice big blob for fedor. 2 big blobs. Then a nice big blob for karaka, orange, a little bit extra. Then down to kowhai, we don't need quite as much for that, so we'll just go 1 big blob. And a little blob for kakariki green, and a little tiny bit for kikorangi blue. Now it's time to colour them. I have a nice, good collection of gel food colouring here, but you can use any food colouring from the supermarket as well. If you just have the primary colours, you can mix them together to create your other colours. So to make orange, you can mix together red and yellow, or to make green, you can mix together yellow and blue. So let's start with red, fedor. The good thing about gel food coloring is you only need a few drops and it gives us a nice vibrant color. Now to make an orange, I'm gonna do 1 drop of red and 1 drop of yellow. I'll start small because I can always add more as I go. Then a drop into Corfai yellow. Whoop. Then Kakariki green. Oh, that was a big drop, whoopsie daisy. And lastly, Kikorangi blue, and I couldn't decide whether to go for a light blue or a dark blue, so I'm gonna mix them together. Now to mix them, make sure you use a different spoon for each color or you're gonna mix them all together and that's not ideal. And we know what happens if you mix all the colors together, you get brown, and brown doesn't make a good rainbow. Brilliant, look how vibrant our rainbow is looking already. I'm so excited. I'm gonna pipe on our colorful icing today, and I've got a little star nozzle in a piping bag here. These are actually super easy to find. You can buy them from Look Sharp. They've got clear ones there and a little piping nozzle from there too. You can often even buy them from the supermarket, or if you can't find a piping bag, you could use a Ziploc bag and just cut the end off the edge, or you could just spoon your icing on as well. Now, to set up our piping bag, we need to cut a little bit off the end here, enough so that our piping tip's gonna fit out but not fall out. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit off the edge. Then I slide the tip down into the bag, push it into place so it's not gonna shift away, and that's ready to go. Then if you fold down half of the bag like this, it makes it really easy to spoon in your icing. So you can kind of use the edge of the piping bag to scrape the icing off the spoon. Then we want to fold the edge back over, and you want to push all the icing down. We don't want any air bubbles, so we want it to be nice and tight. So push all the icing down. Then with this bit, you want to keep your hand wrapped around here, and you can just kind of twist this bit up so it stops any icing coming out of the end. And you can twist it up tight like this, and we're ready to ice. It's time to pipe. Now you want all the pressure to come from your hand. I'm gonna start with my outside red layer, starting on one side, moving my way around. I'm gonna do a little kind of swirly pattern on the top. So we're gonna start on the inside and swirl out and then lift off and just cover all of the outside layer with red. Okay, we're done. Let's move on to karaka. This is gonna look so good. Orange done. Now it's Corfai. Time for green. Green is done. Now there's just blue. And that's our rainbow done. Time to move on to our fluffy, fluffy clouds. For the clouds, I'm not going to put the little piping tip in this time. I'm going to fill the bag up first, then cut off the end and pipe blobs all over the cupcakes so they kind of look like fluffy, fluffy clouds. Right, I'm still gonna push it as far down to the bottom as I can, but this is gonna be hard because obviously the air's now gonna trap. So we're just gonna slice off the end. I'm gonna go kind of far up. I want some nice big blobs. And then we'll be able to push the icing down to the end. Perfect, time for blobs. For these ones, I'm gonna really load them up and I'm gonna pipe all over. I'm not gonna pipe them as individual cupcakes. And don't worry about it being too perfect because these are clouds and clouds aren't perfect. Then, to make my clouds even more extra, I'm gonna load it up with white marshmallows. So I'm just gonna kind of pile them in, make a big tall marshmallow tower. I love it. Then the final touch, I have some edible glitter that I also bought from Look Sharp, and I want this to be a sparkly, rainbowy, cloudy surprise, so I'm gonna cover it in glitter. How good does this rainbow cake look? I am so excited to eat it. The colors are so vibrant and I love the fluffy clouds. I think they're just perfect. How impressed are your friends gonna be when you tell them you made this? You can find the full recipe on our website. Don't forget to check out our other videos and subscribe because next week it's time for another episode of Whānau Fakeaways where we make your favorite takeaways. And now I'm so excited to try a little cupcake. It's time. I've been waiting for this moment. They look so good and they're so lovely and fudgy. Yum! So good. I wish it was my birthday.